Hi guys, if you're having problem with your camera on your Samsung Galaxy A52, you want to head over to settings. When you are in settings, you want to go to applications. You want to look for your camera app, so you go camera app here. Then you want to look for storage. You want to clear the data, so we are going to clear the data, clear everything, delete everything there. That will just delete the camera settings, and if you have any camera problem that is showing, so when you go and open your camera will open up, it will work. If you are experiencing blurry images, videos, this will also help to reset your camera to default settings. And if this did not work, guys, you want to do a force restart. This can be done by hitting the volume down, the power button. You want to hold those buttons together until the device restart. When the device restart and you see the Samsung logo, you want to release the button. So you want to release, the phone will turn on, and if your camera wasn't working, then it should be working. And if this does not work, then the other method in which you need to try and do, but you will need to back up your device, is to do a factory data reset. So let me just put up the brightness here, and to do that, you want to go to settings. You want to scroll all the way down until you see about phone. You want to click in about phone, reset here, and you want to reset factory data reset there. This will delete everything off of your phone. You will lose all your music, everything. If you don't know the password of your Gmail account, I advise you to remove your Gmail account before hitting the reset button. I'm going to show you how to remove the account. You want to go to account and backup. So when you're here, you manage accounts, and you can remove your account if any. So guys, they should fix all of your camera issues and your camera problems, especially if you have created a lot of settings that you're not aware of. Then you just reset the settings to default. That should fix blurry images and blurry videos. Also, you can use the Pro video and also Pro here for clean, sharp images, and also for videos as well. So guys, I hope that this was helpful. My name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like this video and share, comment and subscribe. I'm out.